Hi. So here we will see about the Isot impact text, which is there in our strength of materials laboratory. And here we used to find out the impact energy or the resistance to the impact on a material. Like we have cast iron and MS steel here. So we'll have a simulator here in the virtual lab where there is it is given step by step. So our objective is to find the impact resistance of mild steel and cast iron. So we have impact testing machine, and just we have to initially test the friction loss. Okay, the loss of energy due to friction loss. So here the pointer is adjusted to 164 joules. Then the pendulum is released by operating the lever without keeping the specimen. So you have to keep the arm or the pendulum in upper position, and we have to lock over there. So at this case the reading measures 164 joules here, and just by clicking this arrow we will get a free flow of this pendulum, where the loss of energy due to friction is 4 joules we obtained. So we have found out the loss of energy over here, and this is what the specimen we have to take in account for testing this impact energy. And here the cast iron and mild steel samples were given, where a notch is cut at the midpoint. So this is very important, and its dimensions also very important. So here select one of the specimens which you want to test. Here let us take this mild steel. So here the dimensions of this mild steel is given. Length is 76.26, breadth 9.32, depth 9.48, and the depth of the notch, that is very important. So this depth, okay, that is 4.5 mm. And here we have to place this specimen like how it is shown in the first diagram, so facing on the other side. So next slide it can be easily visible, like so how it is shown here. So now after having this, after fitting this specimen in this way, facing this notch towards the striker, so again we have to click this lever. So here this will strike that particular specimen, and here the total loss of energy during transit of hammer. Now by this trial we got 51 joules. So therefore already due to friction there is a loss of energy, there is 2 joules. So therefore energy for failure of specimen is 49 joules. So what we infer from this particular experiment is how much energy when a sudden load hits a material, to what energy it can withstand without failure. So this is what we are trying to find out. Similarly, in this V lab we have these are the results. We have trial 2 and trial 3. So finally we can take the average values for all these parameters and the energies, and we could conduct the experiment in this way. Thank you.